When it comes to classic recipes, the original Waldorf salad holds a special place in culinary history. Um, this vibrant dish has a refreshing mix of tangy and sweet flavors, cherished since its invention in the 1890s at the Waldorf-Astoria Hotel in New York. Um, it's more than just a salad, it's a time machine on a plate, taking you straight to the elegance of a bygone era. Um, Crafting a Waldorf salad isn't just about mixing ingredients. It's about balancing textures. You start with crisp apples, uh, the backbone of the dish, often a mix of tart Granny Smiths and sweet red delicious. Um, the key is to dice them evenly, aiming for bites the size of your thumbnail. So every forkful delivers an equal burst of tanginess and sweetness. Celery follows the apples, providing a satisfying crunch that complements the fruit's tender bite. Um, Dice the celery as uniformly as possible to maintain the salad's signature harmony. Um, when chosen well, fresh celery contributes a bright, earthy flavor that effortlessly cuts through the sweetness of the apples and grapes. Now let's talk about grapes. They add a juicy surprise, bringing a pop of sweetness to the salad. Uh, Typically, red grapes are used for an extra splash of color. Halve these juicy gems for easy scooping and to release their natural sugars more readily. This preparation ensures the taste is evenly dispersed throughout the mixture. No Waldorf creation is complete without its dressing. Originally, it was a simple mayonnaise-based medley for creaminess. Today, many blend it with lemon juice for zing and yogurt for extra health-conscious creaminess. Aim for a silky smooth consistency that will lightly coat the ingredients without being overpowering. A sprinkle of walnuts brings that final touch, adding richness and slight bitterness to the ensemble. Toast them lightly to enhance their nutty flavor before sprinkling them over the salad. Toasting is a game changer since it unlocks the oils within, deepening the flavor profile for more complexity in each bite. Mix these elements thoughtfully in your salad bowl. A gentle folding technique prevents the ingredients from becoming mushy while ensuring they're uniformly dressed. The contrast of textures and flavors should dance together, not overpower each other. Each component is a musical note in this classic symphony. Common pitfalls include apples turning brown, unappetizing if exposed to air for long. Pro tip, a quick toss in lemon juice keeps oxidation at bay, preserving their vibrant hue. Not only does this keep your dish visually appealing, but it enhances the overall flavor profile with a touch of citrus. Another frequent snag, overdressing. It's as much a culinary sin as underdressing at a party. Balance is crucial. Too much mayonnaise, and you're spooning up soup instead of salad. Aim for a light coat, enough to bind but not drown the elements. Serve it chilled, as the best Waldorf salad is one where the flavors have had time to meld together in the fridge. It's an ideal dish for a brunch buffet or fancy dinner party where it can shine as a star side or a standalone delight. Its versatility is part of its enduring appeal. When planning your next gathering, keep in mind that Waldorf salad pairs beautifully with savory proteins like roast chicken or turkey. The tartness of the apples and the richness of the walnuts complement roasted meats wonderfully, making it a perfect companion for holiday spreads. So whether you're in Portland or New York or anywhere in between, creating an original Waldorf salad is like paying homage to culinary history, each forkful as fun and flavorful as the 1890s New York social scene. Dive in and delight your taste buds with this timeless treat.